Hello everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into an interesting topic: understanding age calculation using a simple example table. In front of me, I have a table showcasing the names, dates of birth, ages, and city names of 15 individuals. But what's fascinating about this table is how the age is calculated. Let's take John, for instance. He was born on March 15, 1985, in New York. Now, if we calculate his age using a simple formula based on today's date, type the formula. Type equal to. Type if. Bracket start. Type year. Bracket start. Type today. Bracket start. Bracket close. Bracket close. Type minus sign. Type year. Bracket start. Select date of birth. Bracket close. Type greater than sign. Type equal to. Type 1. Type comma. Type year. Bracket start. Type today. Bracket start. Bracket close. Bracket close. Type minus sign. Type year. Bracket start. Select date of birth. Bracket close. Bracket close. After type the formula. Press enter key for result. We can see he's 39 years old. The formula here subtracts the birth year from the current year, considering only those cases where the difference is greater than or equal to 1 year. Understanding age calculation is crucial in various fields. From HR departments managing employee data to healthcare professionals tracking patient demographics, accurate age calculation is essential. So, there you have it. A simple yet insightful exploration into understanding age calculation using our example table. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, stay curious.